Today I'm sharing how I make chicken 65 biryani at home. Come, let's begin. First, soak basmati rice in water for about 1 hour. Now let's marinate the chicken. Take a bowl, add ginger garlic paste, curry leaves, Kashmiri red chilli powder, regular red chilli powder, turmeric, garam masala, pepper powder, chopped green chillies, maida, rice flour, corn flour, salt, and add little water and mix it well. Make sure the paste is slightly thick. Now I'm going to add the chicken pieces to the masala and mix everything really well and keep it aside for 30 minutes. Now for the rice, boil water and add bay leaves, shah, jeera, cardamom, cloves, cinnamon, mace, a few curry leaves, salt and lime juice, and close the lid. Once it starts boiling, add the soaked rice and cook till it's about 75% done. Then drain and keep it ready. In a pan, add oil and heat it. Then add chicken pieces and fry till they are crispy and golden. Keep them aside, we will use them again later. For the biryani masala, heat the same oil used for frying, then add spices and then sliced onions. Saute it well and now add curry leaves. Mix it well. Then add ginger garlic paste. Mix it well. Then add all the dry masalas and give it a good mix. And then I'm going to add curd followed by mint, coriander, green chillies, and again mix it well. Now add salt. As per your taste you can add. Okay, mix it well, then close the lid and cook for 2 minutes. Now add the fried chicken 65. Save some pieces for layering. Okay, mix gently and add a little water. Mix it well and cover and cook for 5 minutes. See, the rice should be like this. Now add a layer of rice to the chicken 65 masala. Layer it and now top it with dried chicken 65 pieces and some mint and coriander, and then again another layer of rice. Spread it well and seal the pot with aluminum foil and cover it and then close the lid and dum cook for about 25 minutes. Now open. See, the rice should be like this. The yummy chicken 65 biryani is ready. Trust me, it tastes amazing. Do try it and thanks for watching.